It's Johnny. Now looking at the Begrit soldering iron. Just got it out of the package and was checking it out. It's a rubber front on it. Those of you that use solder irons are probably curious about that. I wonder if it generates heat, what have you. But it's a rubber front. There's an adjuster on it right here. Let's see if we can get that. There you go. Got your temp adjustment. So depending on what you're soldering, big, small, comes with a pointed tip. And if you get multiple tips, just to show you that how these do come off. Simply threads on, tightens up. There's no play in this up here. This is all solid now. Holds it snug against that element. Better than the hard plastic one I have, which I needed to replace, but I'll have to give this one a try. Solid though. Solid and looks good so far. I'm going to have to get some more solder this afternoon. Kind of put it through a couple of tests. But with just the tip, I'll have to see if I can order some more tips for it. But just with the tip, I'll go in there and see just how it breaks down some existing solder and stuff. Add that to the review later. But so far, like I said, everything seems solid. I like the option of changing the tip out. I like the temp adjust, which my old one did not have. Foam, like a rubber front on it. No stand or anything, but as it lays, the tip does try to, depending on how your cord is, if it's laying down, the tip's off the surface. You just got to watch how you set it, because there's not a stand or anything for it. But laying down normal, like you can see, that tip's off the surface.